So these are what? لَآيَاتٍ لِقَوْمٍ يَعْقِلُونَ. These are surely the signs for people who use their intellect, who think. Just like Ahmed gave us the answer that even anything that is created by human beings, as we call it created, although I believe we just reshape things. So everything that human beings reshape or create or whatever do, originally they are also from nature or Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, right? Because nothing, we don't create anything from scratch. So we should use our intellect, we should use our thinking, right? And this is the action for us. So what is the action for us? That we have to be the people who use intellect. We have to use our mind in order to do, in order to think about our surroundings, right? And this means that we should ponder over everything from the light of Quran as Muslims, because Quran is already talking about all of the things around us. Okay, and these days the way our lives are designed, we have so many things to do, and we have school, we have homework, we have play, we have online learning and online connects and talking to our friends and all of these things, and probably sports and matches and all of this. We don't get time to think and use our intellect. So we should really find time to ponder over everything from the light of Quran. We should pause and we should think about the system around us. Just by observation, we get to learn a lot of things, and we get to appreciate and love Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for everything that He has created for us. It is very important to use our mind, and it is very important to use our intellect. A lot of times there are lots of distractions that waste our time, right? We can do a lot of activities, we can watch sports, we can play video games. There can be some sort of benefits in those, but spending a lot of time on them, we are wasting our time. We have to find that time in order to use our intellect and purely think about stuff.